Hello, fourth grade. So we are doing an interest inventory. And basically we just start off with your name, your birthday, whose class you are, what your teacher is, what your teacher's name is, I should say. And this tells me all about your favorite things, your favorite animals, colors, numbers, seasons, and so on. So you just need to fill all these out. If you don't know how to spell the word, you could try your best or just draw a picture. And then if there's anything else that you want me to know, let's say that that you really like astronauts or something, and it's not on here, you can just go ahead and write it on the bottom or add another piece of paper to it. So have fun on it. The reason I'm doing this is that it helps me find things that you're interested in.